We are continuing with the chapter 2 of class 7 mathematics. Okay, this is where we stopped in the last session. Problems related to speed. Okay, speed of boat in still water is is a streamy river will not be the same. Speed of boat in still water and in streamy river both will not be same. In case of running boat in streamy river along with the current direction, okay, depends whether it is going downstream or upstream. The speed of stream should be added to the actual speed of the boat if it is going downward direction, okay, downstream. In case of the boat running against the current upstream, the speed of the stream should be subtracted from the actual speed of the boat. The speed with which the boat travels along with the current or against the current is determined as the effective speed of the boat. Okay, so the effective speed of the boat along with the current downstream is nothing but actual speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. Effective speed of the boat against the current, that is upstream, nothing but actual speed of the boat minus the speed of the stream. Let's see an example. A boat can travel 6 km per hour in still water. Against the current, it needs thrice the time to travel 6 km. How long does it need to travel 50 km when going along with the current? Okay, first let's analyze the given data and find the stream speed. This is the speed of the boat in still water, means this is the speed of the boat, that is 6 km per hour. Against the current, it needs thrice the time to travel. So what happens to the effective speed? Effective speed is distance upon time, distance upon time. Okay, so time became 3 times. That means the speed reduced by a factor of 3. So the effective speed is nothing but 2 in this case, that is 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, effective speed is 2 kilometer per hour. Then what is the speed of the stream? Speed of the boat minus speed of the stream is 2. Okay, so speed of the stream is nothing but 6 minus 2, that is 4 km per hour. We got the speed of the stream to be 4 kmph, not kmph, 4 km, yeah, ph, kmph, kilometer per hour. Okay, how long does it need to travel 50 kilometer when going along with the current? Then now you can add both the speeds when you are going along with the current, that means downstream, that is 10 km per hour. Then what happens to the time is distance upon the speed, so 50 upon the effective speed is 10 in this case, so it takes 5 hours. Yes, it takes 5 hours. Okay, that is how you have to proceed. This problem is quite famous. Okay, there are 3 pipes in a cistern. The empty cistern can be filled with water by first and second pipe in 30 minutes and 20 minutes. Okay, by the first and second pipe in 30 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. That means if first pipe alone fills the cistern, it will take 30 minutes. Second pipe will take at the 20 minutes alone. The filled cisterns can be completely emptied by the third pipe in 60 minutes. Okay, third pipe, the use of third pipe uh, is to empty the water. Okay, what part of the cistern can be filled by the third pipe in 1 second? In how many minutes will the cistern will be filled if all the 3 pipes are opened? Okay, when will the first pipe needs to be closed so that the cistern be completely filled by the first and second pipe in 18 minutes? Okay, let's not solve this problem right now. There is a mismatch in the data. Okay, in the given question at least, the speed of 60-meter long train is 40 kmph. How much time will the train take to cross a nearby pillar of the rail line? So nearby pillar means it is of negligible length when compared to the length of the train. So you just assume it as a point. Okay. Now if the train has to cross the point means the train has to cross its own distance. Okay. So this is the distance that is the length of the train, that is 60 meter in this case. This is the speed. Time is nothing but distance upon distance upon the speed. So 60 upon 48 is the time in hours. 60 upon 48 is what? Okay, 60 upon 48 is nothing but it will go by 4. It will go by 12, I guess. 12 5 is a 60, 12 4 is a 48. So 5 by 4 hours are nothing but 1 and 1/4 hour. So are nothing but 1 hour 15 minutes. That is the time. Oh, is it hours? No, no, no. Sorry. This is not in kilometers. This is in meters, right? Mm-hmm. Then convert this also into meters. 4,800 meters per hour. Okay. Then this also will become 5 by 400th hour. Okay. Hour. When it is multiplied with 60, you will get in minutes. 65 to 300. So 3 by 4th minute. Okay. In 3 by 4th minute, or otherwise you can also convert it into seconds. 45 seconds. In 45 seconds it will cross, I guess. Yes. Oh, one more zero is missing here. 3 by 40 minute, I guess. 3 by 40 minute. Again convert this into seconds. 60 by 40. Mm-hmm. Hmm. 6 6 will 0 0 will cancel out. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 4.5 minute. Sorry, 4.5 second, or 9 by 2. Yeah, 9 by 2 seconds or 4.5 seconds. Let's see the exercise part. This is the end, I guess. This is the end of the chapter 2, right? All right, all right. Let's see what is there. Which is the twice divided ratio of 4 is to 9. 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18. Which is the twice divided ratio of 4 is to 9. Twice divided ratio of 4 is to 9. This question, I don't think it is valid. Okay, let's proceed further. A is to B is this, B is to C is this. What is the value of C is to B is to A? As we discussed earlier, the B part should be common. Then only we can express it in a extended fraction form. So B part, how to make it common? 7 10. Both are co-primes. Then what should we do? Multiply with 10. A is to B becomes, here itself we can do it. A is to B becomes 40 is to 70 when multiplied with 10. Okay, comma. B is to C will become what? 70 is to 49 when it is multiplied with 4. Now what is the extended fraction? C is to B is to A. C is 49, B is 70, A is 40. 49, 70, 40. So first one is the answer. Hey, why is it not appearing? Maybe the problem with the pen. No. Maybe this. Okay. Alright. Answer the question number 3 to 4 based on the following information. 30 meter cloth is distributed among Maisa, Maria and Tanya in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. What is the value of second quantity in successive ratio of 4 is to 3 and 5 is to 6? What is this? What is the value of second quantity? Hmm. 15. That is 15 only. How many meter of cloth did Maisa get? How many meter of cloth will Maisa get? 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10. So 5 by 10 into 30, that is wait a minute. 15? Yeah, 15. Alright. How many meters of cloth Maria get more than Tanya? Maria get more than Tanya. That is X. What is X here in this case? 3 meters. So 3 meter is the answer. Because Maria will get 9. She will get 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. What is the successive ratio of 5 is to 3 to 2 is to 5? Oh, that is not question number 3 and 4. Actually 4 and 5. Okay. This is a mistake here. Okay, forget about it. What is the successive ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2 is to 5? The 2 you have to multiply with 2. 10 is to 6 is to 15. Yes, this is the correct answer. Which one is the fourth proportional of 3, 5 and 15? Okay, 3 into something x equal to 3x equal to 75, or 3x equal to 5 into 15. So x equal to 5 into 5, 25. 25 is the answer. Okay, a shopkeeper bought a matchbox at Taka 1.5 and sold at Taka 2. What is the percentage of profit? What is the change here? Change here is 0.5 divided by original price is 1.5. So 5 by 15 into 100. 5 by 15 can be written as 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.33, 33 and half percentage. Okay, 100 by 3. So this is the answer. A banana seller bought bananas at the rate of taka 25 per 4 bananas and sold at the rate of 27. He gained 50 rupees as profit. How many bunches of 4 bananas did he buy? Okay, 25 per 4 bananas and sold at the rate of 27. Okay, he gained 50 as profit. Okay, we need to formulate it, right? Oh, not like that. So let's say he purchased x number of bunches. Okay, x minus 27 minus 25. Okay, equal to x into equal to 50. So 25 bunch of 4 bananas. This is the answer. Okay, match the following quantities by drawing lines. If the cost price is more than the selling price, less time profitable, more time less oriented. If the cost price is less than selling price, that is profitable. Time along with the current is less time. Time against the current, more time. Okay, less oriented. What is this oriented? What is this orientation? Okay, 5 workers can reap crops of the land of 8 big of field in 6 days. How many days will 25 workers need to reap the land of 20 by? Okay, 5 workers can reap crops of the land of 8 big of field in 6 days. Let's only work for one worker in one big of field. Okay, one worker, one big of field. How much time it will take? 6 upon or the 5 into 8, 40. This is the equation here. Then what may happen when you have 25 workers in 20 big. Okay, what may happen, that is nothing but 6 by 40, 6 by 40 into 25 into 20, 25 into so 20. Okay, 22 is 40, 2 3 is 6, so 75 days, 75 days it will take. Okay, okay, like that, 6 by 40 into 25 workers, 6 by 40 into 25 workers, into 8. No. Somewhere we went wrong, I guess. Perhaps where the number of workers. It is in the ratio inversely proportional. Actually, it is not directly proportional. It is inversely proportional. Oh, that has to go in the numerator, I guess. Oh, right. So 8 here. Here it is 5. If it is done by only one worker, it has to take more time. That is, the logic says it has to take more time. So 30 by 8. Okay. Okay. So 30 by 8 is here in the in the in this bracket. Then multiply with 85 into 20. Or is that well reasonable? No. In this case also you have to take 25 or in the denominator. Okay. Yes, 20 on the numerator, 25 in the denominator. 5 4 ja, 5 5 ja. Okay. So 4 2 ja 8. Yes, 4 2 ja 8. 2 15 ja. Okay. 3 days, I guess only. It will take 3 days. Yes. Okay. That is the answer. Okay, Swapan can do a work in of 24 days. Ratan can do that work in 16 days. In how many days can Swapan and Ratan together finish that work? Okay. Swapan can do that work in 24 days. So Swapan can complete. Okay. Swapan. Okay. Swapan can complete. Which how much fraction of work in one day? X by 24 of the work in one day. Okay. What about Ratan? Ratan also can complete x by 16th fraction of the work in one day. In one day. Okay, x by not 26. This is 16. Okay. Then if they work together, Swapan and Ratan can complete. This is capital R. Can complete x by 24 plus x by 16 in one day. X by 16 in one day. Okay, this is the key here, right? So what is this? Can you we can take LCM of 24 and 16. What is the LCM for 24 and 16? For 4 16, 4 6 24. Okay, 48 48 is the LCM. So 24 2 16 3 so 5x by 48 is what the fraction of work they can do when they work together in one day. So how many days it will take for them to complete? That is 48 by 5. They have to at least do at least x portion, right? So they will take 48 by 5 days. Okay, or otherwise 5 9 45. So 9 and 3 for fifth. If you want me to express this in a mixed fraction form, that is 9 and 3 by 5 days. Okay. Habiba and Halima together can do a work in 20 days. They were working together, but after 6 days, Habiba went away. Halima finished the rest of the work in 21 days. How many days would Halima need to complete the work? Complete the whole work. Okay, Habiba and Halima together can do work in 20 days. Okay, that is fair enough. They were working together. Initially, they started working together up to the 6 number of days. Okay. So, how much portion of work is completed in 6 days? In 6 days, together they can complete x by 20 in one day. So, they completed 6 by 20 fraction of work in 6 days. That is 3 by 10. 3 by 10x is completed in the 6 days. Okay, in 6 days. So what is left over? 7 by 10x is left over for the uh, for Halima to finish off. Okay, so Halima completed the rest of work in 21 days. So this much portion of work Halima completed in the in how many days? 21 days. Okay, 7 by 10 x portion of work is completed in 21 days. Okay, so in one day how much fraction of work she will complete then? Then she will complete in one day, this Halima, in one day she will complete by 21. By 21 means this is 3. One day she will complete 7 by 10 into 1 by 21. Okay, so this is 1 by 30. 1 by 30x she will complete in one day. So she might be needing 30 days to complete the whole work. We are talking about Halima, right? So she needs to do the X part of the work. So she might need 30 days to finish off the whole work if she works alone. Okay, that is the problem, right? Alright. Can build a house in 20 days. 10 days after beginning the work, work to stop for 6 days due to bad weather. Okay, they stopped it for 6 days due to bad weather. How many extra workers will be needed to finish the work on time? This is quite different, it seems. But let's see how much portion of the work that has been completed uh, within these uh, within these 10 days. Okay, 10 days half of the portion might have completed because they will take 20 days to do the work. So the rest of the work, that is x by 2, is only remaining part of the work is half of the total work. Okay, now the 6 days have been passed. Okay, now they have to finish these x by 2 in only 4 number of days. Then how many workers might be needed? Let's see what is the quantum of work a person can do in a given day. On a day, at least one worker. uh, how many days for work one worker to finish the one day? Okay, one worker one day, how much quantum of work he can do? uh, One worker, if x is the total amount of work that has been done in 20 days, one worker can do x by 30 in 20 days. But it is not just 20 days, here it is one day. So you can complete x by 600. Okay, one worker one day he can do this much portion. Okay, mm, fair enough. Now one worker within 4 days, how much portion of work he can do? For 4 days, one worker, if he works, then this becomes 4 here on the numerator. This becomes 150, I guess. Yes, 4 5 is 20. Yeah, right, 150. So how much portion of the work has to be done? X by 2 only. So x by 150 by, sorry, x by 2 divided by x by 150 will give you 75. So the total number of workers needed will be 75. Okay, but already there are 30 workers, right? So remove 30 workers from here, you'll get 45. So answer is 45. Okay, let's reduce the font size. This much is not needed because it's actually making it difficult to put all the required numbers. Okay, this can be increased a bit, I guess. Okay, fair enough. Okay, that is 45 days. 40, sorry, 45 more workers are needed. 45 is the answer. Okay, right. A and B together can do a work in 16 days. B and C together can do it in 12 days. A and C together can do it in 20 days. In how many days can A, B, C together do that of a work? Do that work. That of a work that is not a. Okay, not necessary. Half is not necessary here. Okay, let's see A and B. Let's formulate an equation A and B. If A and B uh, can do a work in 16 days, so A and B together in one day. One day means one day. Uh, let's write day at least. No problem. One day, how much portion of work they can complete? X by A. X by 16. Okay. For B and C, as for B and C, B here and C here. In one day they can complete 1/12. So x by 12. Okay. What about C and A? C and A can do that work in 20 days. So this is x by 20. They can complete x by 20 portion. Okay. Alright. Fair enough. Now, let's sum it up. A and B plus B and C plus C and A. So 2 times 2A, 2B. This is a hypothetical situation where you can assume that the same person appeared twice. Okay, that is not possible anyway, but we are not allowing it anyway. We are just mathematically computing how much time it may take if this is the situation. Okay, so now 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20, you need to find LCM of 16 and 12 and 20. Okay, 4 is there common here also. 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 60 is the LCM. So on the new denominator I can simply put 60. So is it 60? 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. Okay, 4 5 is 20. No, 60 alone may not be sufficient. 240 is sufficient, right? 240. Okay, now it is 460 is fair enough, fair enough. So for 16, 60, 15. So this will be 15 plus uh, 20. Right, this is 20. Okay, plus this one will be oh 12. Right, 12. Okay, so nothing but mm-hmm, mm, right. Mm, is this correct? Yes, fair enough. Uh, 20, 30, 40, 47 by 240. Okay, 47 by 240 x. This much they can do. Okay, on this hypothetical case. But let's see what happens when you do it for only. See, this is for only 1 day. 1 day. If they work together 1 day, what may happen? Mm, then the work will be half of this 27 47 by 280 into x. Okay, right. Then then they may take 280 by 47 number of days to complete the work. Okay, right. Together this is what will happen. This becomes 47 by not 280, this is 480. Okay, then how many number of days they may take if they work together? They have to complete x portion of work. This is what they do in 1 day. So they may need 480 by 47 inverse of this function. These many number of days to work it out. 480 by 47 roughly around 10 point something days. So I will leave that fraction as it is. Okay, 480 by 47 days. Okay, right. This portion I am not keeping it because of the space constraint. Okay. Let's keep it here. A cistern has two pipes. The first and second pipes can fill the empty cistern in 12 hours and 18 hours respectively. If both pipes are open together, how much time will the empty cistern need in order to be filled? Very simple problem indeed. Okay, in 1 hour, say every time you have to work it like this. Mhm. Okay, in 1 hour. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, in 1 hour, the first pipe. Okay, let's write first pipe like this. First pipe in 1 hour. How much it can fill? That is what I am writing it here. In 1 hour. In also no need 1 hour because of the space constraint. X upon 12. Okay. It will fill X upon 12 portion of the tank. What about the second pipe? Second pipe in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour it can fill X by 18th portion. Okay. Then what may happen if they combine first and second pipe together? Okay, first and second pipe together in 1 hour. How much they can fill? They can fill this much portion together. Okay, this much portion they can fill. 12, 18. What is LCM? This is 4 3. This is 3 6. Yes. Or this is 6 2. This is 6 3. Okay. Then 6 2 6 3. 6 into 2 into 3. 36. Okay. 36 is the LCM. 6x. This is 2x. So 5x. 5x upon 36 portion they can fill in 1 hour if they work together. Then how many hours may required? That is 36 by 5 hours. 36 by 5 hours. 5 7 is 35. So 7 and 1/5 hour or 7 hour 12 minutes. 1/5 means 1/5 of hour is what? 60 by 5 20 minutes. Okay. 7 hours 20 minutes or otherwise 36 by 5 hours. Oh, there are still plenty of problems left. Okay, let's see. A boat can cross 36 km in 4 hours along with the current. If the speed of the current is 3 km per hour, what is the speed of the boat in still water? Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, what we have to do? We have to write a. Oh, okay. We have to write a equation. We have to frame an equation. The distance covered is 36 km. Okay, distance is nothing but the speeds. Let u is the speed of the boat and v is the speed of the stream. Okay, into time. Time is 4. So u plus v is nothing but 36 by 4 is 9. Okay, fair enough. Yes. Speed of the current is 3 km per hour. That is v is 3 km per hour. V is 3 km ph. If v is 3 km ph, what is the speed of the boat in still water? 9 minus 3, 6 km ph, 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, either you write 6 km per hour or 6 km ph. Okay, a ship can travel 77 kilometer waterway in 11 hours. Waterway in 11 hours against the current. If the speed of the ship is 9 km per hour in still water, what is the speed of the current per hour? Okay, Speed of the ship u is given. U is 9 kmph. Kmph. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, fair enough. We don't know yet. Okay, but it may take 11 hours to travel a distance of 77. So distance is nothing but uh, u minus v, in this case speed, into time. Time is 11 hours. Okay, expand this. Okay, fair enough. So what is u minus v then in this case? U minus v is 77 by 11, 7 kmph. So what is v then? V is 9 minus 7, 2 kmph, 2 kilometer per hour. So that is the answer. 2 kmph is the required answer. Okay. A boat can travel with the help of boat 3 km in 15 minutes along with the current, and against the current it travels 1 km in 15 minutes. Determine the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current. Okay, it can travel 3 km in 15 minutes when the both the speeds are concurrent. U plus v into time is 15 minutes. I am taking, not taking it in hours. Let's take it in hours. 1/4 hour. 1 by 4. Okay. Or u plus v equal to 12. I can say u plus v equal to 12. This is one case. What is the second case? Against the current it travels 1 km in again same 15 minutes, that is 1/4. U mine this time. U is the speed of the boat, v is the speed of the stream. Okay, into again the time is 1/4. 1/4 hour. 15 minutes means 1/4 hour. Sending 4 that side, this becomes 4. Okay, so when you add these two equations up, you will get 2u equal to 16 or u equal to 8 kmph. 8 kmph. Okay, yeah, right, kmph. What about v then? V is 12 minus 8, 4 kmph. 4 kmph. It has to satisfy both the equations. You can see v8 plus 4 is 12, 8 minus 4 is 4. So speed of the boat is 8 kmph, speed of the current is 4 kmph, kilometer per hour. A farmer can cultivate 40 hectares of land in 8 days with 5 pairs of cows. With 7 pairs of cows, how many hectares of land can he cultivate in 12 days? I suppose you can do this problem because it is similar. Lily can do a work in 10 hours alone. Millie can do that work in 8 hours. In how many hours, Lily? These are also similar problem. That's why I'm not solving it. Two pipes separately can fill an empty cistern with water in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. The cistern is completely empty and both the pipes are open together to fill the cistern. When will the first pipe need to be closed so that the cistern would be completely filled in 18 minutes? Mm-hmm. Okay, first let's frame. First pipe. Okay, first pipe in 1 minute. How much it can fill? X by 20 portion. The second pipe, again in 1 minute, it can fill X by 30 portion. Okay, right? Now what is the question? It has to be filled in 18 minutes. Okay, that means time we already know. Okay, first pipe has to be closed within t minutes, let's say t minutes, first pipe has to be closed. So 1 by 20 into t plus 1 by 30 into 18. This has to be 18. This must be equal to x. Okay, x got cancelled out on both sides. Okay, right. What you need to do, you need to take LCM. What is LCM in this case? 60 is LCM. Okay, 60 on the denominator. What is on the numerator here? This is 3, 23 is 60, so 3t plus 2, not minus 2, that is plus 2, equal to 1, right, or equal to 60 in this case now. Okay, so 3t equal to 60 minus 2 is how much? 58, I guess. Yes, 58. So what is t? 58 by 58 by 3 minutes. That is 58 by 3 then. 45 is 15. 58 by 3. Oh, wait a minute. This is more than the required time. First pipe need to be closed so that the cistern would be completely filled in 18 minutes. If both the pipes work together, then what may happen? 60 here. Okay, 60 here. 60 here, 3, 5. 60 by 5. 60 by 5. 12 minutes. Yeah, it can be completed in 12 minutes. Right. Then where we went wrong? 3t is fine. Fair enough. Oh, I forgot this 18 here. So 18 2 is 36 here. There we missed it. Right, 18 we missed. 36 is 24 here. Then this must be 8 minutes. It has to be closed in the first 8 minutes. Okay. So answer is this t only. In 8 minutes it has to be closed. Right? Right. Now see, the speed of the 100-meter long train is 40 kmph. The train can cross a bridge in 30 seconds. What is the length of the bridge? Speed of a 100-meter long train is 48 kmph. The train can pass a bridge in 30 seconds. What is the length of the bridge? Okay, let the length of the bridge may be x meters. Okay. X meters. This is speed, this is time. Okay. 48 can be converted into 48000 divided by 3600 in seconds, meter per seconds. Okay, 48 kilometer is 1000 meters, hour is 3600. So remove 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. Fair enough. 12 4 is 48. So this is 40. This is 3. 12 3 is 36. So 40 by 3 meter per second into 30 seconds. Into 30 seconds is the distance the train covers in 30 seconds. How much it is? 400 meters. Okay. This is 400 meters. What about the train length? 100 meters. So the length of the bridge is 300. 400 minus 100. the train has to cover its own distance, right? That's why it is 300 meters. A 120-meter long train will cross 330-meter long bridge. If the speed of the train is 30 km per hour, how much time will the train needs to cross the bridge? A similar problem, you can solve it, no problem. Okay. A piece of ornament is made by mixing bronze, silver, and zinc. In that piece of the ornament, the ratio of the bronze to zinc is 1 is to 2, and the ratio of zinc to silver is 3 is to 5. The weight of the ornament is 190 grams. Find the ratio of bronze, zinc, and silver. We have to find the extended ratio. Bronze, zinc, and silver. See, 3 here, 2 here. So multiply this with 3, multiply this with 2. Okay. So bronze becomes 3 here. 3 is to zinc becomes 6. 6 is to silver becomes 10. 3 is to 6 is to 10. That is the ratio. Okay. Right. Find the weights of the bronze, zinc, silver in the ornament separately. Weight of the ornament 190. So this is 19. Okay, 10. So 3 times 10. Bronze is 30. In the order, bronze is 30 gram. Zinc is 60 gram. And that is 100 gram. Last one. Silver is 100 gram. Okay. This is 19. Total 19. So 190 by 19 is the x. Okay. 3x, 6x, 10x. Sum them up. 190. 190x equal to 19x equal to 190 grams, x is 10 grams. Okay, so 3x is 30, 6x is 60, 10x is 100. Bronze, zinc, and silver, uh, silver in this order. Okay. What weight of zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be 1 is to 3. Bronze and zinc is now it is 1 is to 2. Okay, now it has to become 1 is to 3. That means you need to add zinc to make the ratio 1 is to 3. Let x grams be the zinc must be added to make the ratio 1 is to 3. Okay. Okay. So now 30. Branch is 30. Zinc will be 60. 60 plus x equal to what is the ratio? 1 is to 3. Okay. Let's cross multiply. This becomes 90. Okay. Equal to sign comes here. Okay. What is x then? X equal to 30 gram. If we add 30 gram zinc, then this ratio becomes 1 is to 3. Okay. Russell is a watch seller. He sold a watch at Taka 625 at a loss of 10%. What was the loss after selling the watch? What is the buying price of the watch? What should be the price of the watch if a profit spelling is mistake? Again, spelling is a problem here. Profit of 10% is gained by selling it. He sold a watch at 625 at a loss of 10%. What was the loss after selling the watch. So 0.9 x is 625. That is what is given. Okay. So what is x then? If you just want was loss, you need not to find x. 0.1 x is the loss. 10% is the loss, right? So 625 by 9. 625 by 9 is the loss. 69.44 taka is the loss. Okay. Right. What is the buying price of the watch? This time you have to get the value of x. 625 by zero point 0.9, that is 694.44 taka. Okay, what should be the price of the watch if a profit of 10% is to be gained by selling it? Okay, just multiply it with 1.1, 10%, right? So answer will be 763.889 taka. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the end of the chapter 2. Okay, I hope you understood this last one. Okay, this is the price. If you have to get 10% of profit, this must be adding this 10% of x must be added. Okay, at the selling price, that is 1.1x. 1.1x is this is the answer. Okay, we will meet in the next class with the chapter 3 measurement. Okay, thank you.